What's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this week we will be doing a vlog because I'm going to New Zealand and it is currently the 6th of July, so it is Saturday night and I leave tomorrow at 5 in the morning, which really I don't want to do, but that is why I have really bad lighting right now because I'm sitting on my floor busy packing. So a lot of you were like, oh, you're going to be doing a vlog, what are you going to vlog? And so I'm going snowboarding and I know for a fact I'm going to fall on my ass. So I'm keen to be vlogging that so I can put it into this video. But now I'm going to show you guys what I've packed and let's hope I don't forget anything because 5 AM I'm, just going to be asleep still. So here's my suitcase. So I have packed this big brown jumper, just some pants, and then my makeup, face wash, body wash, and my pills, and more jeans, and then I have all hoodies and stuff, and then this side, so I have this really cool thing. So these are all my socks, and then just toothbrush and all that, and then this side, let me open it. Yeah, nice sock. It is my actual snowing stuff, so boots, thermals, my actual snow stuff, my gloves, my scarves, mad ski goggles. So that's pretty much what I've packed. It actually seems really small, but we'll just have to see when I'm there, and if I forget anything, well, that's my fault. But I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Good morning guys, it is currently 4:44 and I'm getting ready to leave to go get picked up by my school bus because I'm going with school to New Zealand. I currently got 4 hours of sleep because I'm 6 hours up all night coughing, so that's going to be fun. This is just my outfit plus this massive jumper when I get to New Zealand. So, see you guys soon. Shut up. It's me and Chloe. We're going to the toilet like always. It's around the corner, isn't it? I don't know. We're on a mission to find it. We didn't struggle to get our bags in, but everyone else. I think that's his parents. Oh, and there's Elena and Maddie. So, we're pretty keen. We found it! Oh, we got it. Noah. Liana. Yeah. Look at me. Damn! So, went through the customs and I made her laugh and they were but yeah, that's a massive Mentos. So as we walk through, our teacher was if you girls look at the alcohol we're sending you back, and we were all whoops, sorry, there was a lot of alcohol. But now we're trying to find food, but all we can see is just rich places that we cannot afford.
Uggs, you want some more?
There's Mr. Modlin, and I'm busy vlogging. So we're boarding, so I can't talk. Oh my god, the plane's so pretty. Wait, let me get this. Damn. Hey, Liana! Turbulence is pretty bad, and every time we move, everyone in the plane's whoa. But yeah, I'll show you the view. It's so pretty. So we landed safe in Queenstown and now we're getting our bags checked, and the line is oh hi. And the line is 3 hours long, so that's gonna be good. We had really bad turbulence on the way when we were landing, but I'm gonna stop vlogging now before everyone sees me, okay? Hey guys, I'm sorry for not vlogging. Pretty much after we landed, we took a really long bus ride to the hotel that we're at. I'll probably vlog the hotel tomorrow, but like we're all really tired and we just had dinner. It was really good, so I'm probably gonna bath. There is no, oh okay, there's a plug. So yeah, but it's like a really nice bathroom. Like, yeah, it's snazzy. So yes, we're going snowboarding tomorrow, so I will see you then. Guys, I'm so sorry I didn't vlog today. Pretty much we went snowboarding and you can see I have windburn and yeah, I couldn't really pull my phone out because I didn't want it to get wet, and like, I kid you not, it was like -5 degrees, so when I took my glove off, my hand froze. But I took like footages of like the day and I just did a voiceover, but I promise I will FaceTime tomorrow. I will record it tomorrow. Yeah, so I'm snowboarding tomorrow and then Wednesday. So tomorrow's Tuesday, and then Wednesday we have our free day and we're going ziplining. Then Thursday, Friday we're going to the Remarkables to go skiing again. Snowboarding, guys, is the most difficult thing. As you just saw the footage of me stacking it, there will be more of those. But I will see you guys tomorrow and I promise I will vlog. Wow, okay, so I'm actually so stupid. I didn't vlog again. Pretty much I can't take my phone on like the slopes because, you know, like it's wet and I don't want to break my phone, but like skeet, yeah. But tomorrow we are ziplining, so I can, you know, obviously vlog that. But I have footage that I will be inserting, so stay keen.
I don't know. Okay, I don't know who it could be, but could it be you?
This is giving me a headache.
It's Josh.
How do you get it, brain?
I don't get it. I have no
idea. I'm so
I
lost.
don't know who it could be, but it could be Dylan.
It's me. Vinny.
It's Vinny.
Right. Yeah.
It's really nice at night.
Have some fun, bro. Look out to the right. Swim like a chick.
I'm actually not. Yeah, I'm gonna see how far down I can go. Nah.
This feels nice.
This is cool.
Like, honestly.
And oh.
Can you see she hit me in the face? Oh, what a bitch. trucker, dude. That hurt like a butt cheek on a stick.
So, Grace and I have been walking around Queenstown, and of course, I got a new piercing because that's what I do. So we leave tomorrow, which is really sad. So we went shopping, and now everyone's looking at me, but that's okay. And oh, that's a really nice clothing store. Are they open? Alright, so now we're gonna go shopping. Some more. I don't know if they're open or not, but I'll be vlogging more soon.